Hello my lovely kids, how are you all? I hope you're doing great at home and doing many things at your home. I hope you all are reading too. So let us know about multiplication. So you already know additions, right? Subtraction, right? So now we are going to learn multiplication, right? So what is multiplication, right? So it repeat the additions, right? So whatever the repeating addition is what multiplication. Okay, I'll just give you a small example here. Okay, so here what you can see here, there are 3 pots. How many pots? 3 pots. Each pot, how many fish can we count? 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3. Right? So each pot has 3 fishes plus 3 plus again here 3. Right? So it's totally how many fishes are there? So 3 plus 3 plus 3. It's what? It is repeating additions, right? So we are repeating the same numbers here. 3, 3, 3, right? And this is a symbol of addition, right? So each fish pond has 3 fish, right? 3 plus 3 and 3 equals to what? 9. So totally we have 9 fishes, right? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So we have 9 fish in total, right? So what we have done here, we have repeat the same number here, right? 3, 3, 3, they are the same numbers. So in multiplication what we can do? So 3, so we can take 3, right? So how many ponds are here? 3. So each pond, how many fishes are there? 3 equals to 9. So here this is addition symbol, right? So this is addition symbol and this is multiplication, right? So this is, we are multiplying, right, the same number, right? Here we are multiplying the same number, right? So this is a symbol of multiplication. Okay, so we have took 3, means here 3 bowls, right? So each has 3 fishes, so we are multiplying the number here, right? So we got 9 is the answer, right? So if we I'll just give you some other examples here. Okay, so here see here, so you already know about the tables also, right? So it will be more easy to calculate. Okay, so here see, there is balloon. Okay, so in each box, so let's make a box here. Okay, sorry, I'll just make 2 here. Let's make 2 balloons in each boxes. So we have boxes here. Okay, so each has 2 boxes. Okay, so here I'll just write one more time. Okay, so can we count how many boxes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 boxes, right? So, and in each box how many balloons are there? 1, 2, right? So we should multiply, right? So with the 6 box, in each has 2 balloons, right? So we have to do like this also, right? So how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. How many times we wrote the same number? 6 times, because it has 6 boxes, right? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 and plus 2. This is what? Repeated addition, right? So we are repeating the same number here. So let's count 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2. So totally we have 12 balloons, right? So can we count from here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So we have 12 balloons. So in how to write in multiplication? So we have 6 boxes, each has 2 balloons. So 6 into 2 is what? 12, right? So you already know about table 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, right? Even if we cross also, we got the same answer, right? So I wrote like this now, right? 6 into 2 is 12, right? If I wrote 2 into 6, right? So 2 into 6 is also what? 12. Can we count table 2? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, right? 2 6 are 12. So you have seen this multiplication while you writing tables, right? So we are multiplying, right? So the same number we are adding, right? So say here, if you write 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fives are 8, right? So here, if you add 2 plus 2 is what? 4, right? If you add this to the 4 plus 2 is 6, right? So for the table 2 there is a difference 2. For a table 3 there is a difference of the next number is 3, right? So the same thing, if we made 6 into 2 is also 12, 2 into 6 is also what? 12. If we multiply the same numbers, so this is same number, right? So 2 into 6 is also same, 6 into 2 is also what? 12 only, right? So this is what? One example. So I'll just give some more examples here. I hope you all are practicing tables also, right? So if you practice tables, it will be more easy for you, right? So it is more easy to multiply the same number here, okay? So here we'll see some other, okay? So here, I'll just give you example. Can you tell me how to write? Okay, so it's a 30, right? So how to write in a multiplication? So what is this number? So it's a 5. So we should keep 5 here. Okay, so we are multiplying number of 5 only, right? So here So how many 5s are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So what symbol we have to add here? Multiplication, right? So we are multiplying. How many numbers are here? 6 5s. How many 5s are here? 6. So 5 6 are 30, right? So we are adding 5 6 times. So we got the answer 30 here, right? In the same way, if we 5, if we are multiplying into 6, it's what? 6 is what? 30. We got the answer 30. Okay, so we got the answer, right? Now the way of writing. So ways of writing. Right? So we are writing in this way, right? So this is what? Horizontal, right? So this is what? Horizontal way, right? So other we could have write like this one, like this. 5 multiply by 6, right? So it should come under the number, right? So it should be, you can't write 5 here 6. This is totally wrong. It should come under the next number only, right? If you're writing the number here, down only you should write the multiple number where you are multiplying the number here, right? So here it's a symbol of multiplication. So 6 5s are 30, right? So this is how you can write. Okay, so this is horizontal, this is vertical method, right? So here you have exercise, you have a worksheet. Okay, so we'll solve them later. Okay, so this is what we have done, right? So in a single digit, right? So how to calculate 2-digit number, right? So let's see that. Now we have done only single 1-digit number with a 1-digit number like 5 into 6, right? So how to multiply 2-digit number with a single digit number, right? So here it's a 10 and it's a ones unit, right? So here if I write 11 into 2, okay, so here what we should write? It is 11 into, it is multiplied by 11 is what we should multiply this 11 to 2, right? So here how we should do? We already know the number here, right? So we already know the table of 2, right? 2 ones are what? 2. 2 ones are 2, right? We should multiply the 2-digit numbers to this number, right? So here what we say? This is multiplied, right? So this is multiplied, where the number is multiplied for, right? So this is another number is what? Multiplied, right? This is multiplied and this is what we got. The answer is what it's called product, that you learn for the next class, for the higher classes. Okay, so here like this is how we have to do, but for the I'll just to explain. See here, 2, 11, how many time? 2 time, right? So plus 11. So can we calculate this one? I'll just write like this, right? 1 plus 1 is what? 2, right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. We got the same answer, right? So this is what we are multiplied by these to the multiple, right? So we have multiple 2 times here, right? So we'll go to the exercise your worksheet part, okay? If you open page number 12, right? So there is multiplication. It's 10 and here ones, okay? The same example I have took. So here it's what? Sorry, we got answer 22, okay? 22 into 2, okay? So let's do this. 2 into 2 is what? 4. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, right? So we got the answer, right? Even if you tried 22 plus 22, how many times they said? 2 times, right? So it's a 44 only, right? So 33 into 2, tens ones here, okay? So it's in a place, right? So here 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Very good, kids. So 2 threes are again 6. So we got the answer here, right? Again the same thing, 33 plus 33 is what? We got 66, right? So here tens ones, 23 into 2, right? 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, right? So here 23 plus 23, right? So 3 plus 3 is what? 6. 2 plus 2 is what? 4, right? We got the same answer. (44) into 2. So 2 fours are 8. 2 fours are 8. So we got the 88 as answer. Okay, the rest too you try to do, okay? So I'll say some other multiplication for the next page, okay? So which is different from the other numbers. So how we should do those calculation, okay? So before what, the 11 is the same number. So here we got tens or ones or in a unit place. So U is what? Unit, O is ones, okay? So I'll just write O only, ones place. So here 5, okay? So here 32 into 5. So we should multiply this 32 how many times? 5 times, okay? So 5 twos are 10, right? So here we are taking a carry here, right? So here 10 is a 2-digit number, so we can't write 10 here, right? So we keep the carry here or here, okay? I'll just keep it here, okay? So 5 twos are 10, so I kept 1 here, 0 here. Okay, 5 3s are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, right? So 15, 5 3s are 15 plus 1. So we should add the carry here. So 5 3s are 15 plus 6 is what? 16, right? We got answer 160. Okay, so I'll just see whether it's correct or not, right? So you can do until you got practice, you can do this. Okay, 32 how many times? 5 times. 1 2 3 4 and here 5. Okay, so let's count these number. Okay, so we have to count first in a ones place, right? So here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is what? 10, right? So I'll just keep 0 here and 1 with same carry. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So 15, right? So 15 plus 1 is what? 16. So we got the same answer as we see here, right? So you can do like this also. 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32 plus 32, right? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, right? 2 4 6 8 10. Okay, the same thing. 3 6 9 12 sorry 15, right? So 15 plus 6 is what? 16. So we got the same answer, right? So here I'll do one more here. Tens unit. Okay, 13 into 3 here. Okay, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. There is no carry here. There is only single digit number, right? So we can keep directly here. Here it's a 2-digit number, right? So we got 10 here. 5 into 2 is what? 10. Where we have kept 0 here, 1 we kept as carry, right? So here we are 3 into 3 is what? 9. 3 1s are 3, right? So 13 3s are 39, right? So how we should calculate this one? 13 plus 13 plus 30. Okay, 3 6 9 1 2 3. So we got the same answer, right? So it's 13 into 3 is what? 39. So if we are adding the same 13 in how many times? 3 times. So it's a 39. Okay, so here the same as we got here, right? So we are multiplying the 13 into how many times? 3 times. Okay, so the rest too you should practice. Okay, otherwise you try to practice. Okay, you already know about the table of 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, right? So you should multiply. Otherwise if you find it's difficult, so you do like this. Okay, so this is what? Multiplication. So multiplication is what? Repeating addition, right? So we are repeating the same numbers, the number how they have had given, right? So we are writing like this, right? So here, so in the balloon, right? So we are multiplying the same balloons how many times? 3 times. Okay, so here 1 time, 2 times, and here 3 times, right? So 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So we are multiplying the same numbers. So totally it become what? 9, right? So here 9, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we are adding the numbers. So it's easy, right? Right? If you write how many times, right? So 15, right? So we are repeating the same numbers here. Better we just make it easy, right? 3, how many times? 5 times. So we got the answer 15, right? So this is more easy, right? So additions, subtraction, right, and multiplication and division that you learn for the next classes, right? So these are the basic and very important for the maths, right? So without these we cannot calculate, right? So in that multiplication is a one of them, right? So you try to practice and write these in your worksheet, and the other two you have to practice, you have to write. Okay, it's like a homework for you. Okay, thank you for watching, kids. Have a great day and keep calculating.